Hello there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to change directory in Microsoft Windows operating system command line. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much for all my subscribers to my channel. If you are new with my channel, please click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial so that I will know what are the things or topics that you want for me to discuss or make tutorial videos. And very importantly, for your support, please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Let us make first a directory, md test. So we have here the directory test. So to change directory, we are already in the root directory right now. So change directory, we will use the command cd. To know what is the purpose of this command, cd slash option question mark for wildcards, enter. So we have here displays the name of or change the current directory. So there are so many options now. Example, so we simply use cd space test, enter. So we are already in the directory of test. So to go out, to return to your main directory, simply use this command cd 2 dots, or you can use chdir test. So we are already again in the test directory. So we can also make another directory inside here, md games, cd games. So we are already in the test in games directory, cd backslash if we want to return to the root directory, or cd test backslash games. We can go directly to the games directory. How about we want to go to the test directory without going to the root directory? By simply cd dot dot, we can go back to the test directory. So cd dot dot, we return to the root directory. So that's it. Very simple on how to change directory or make directory also and navigate to those two directory. This is the end of our video tutorials on how to change directories in Microsoft Windows operating system command line. I hope you enjoy and learn in these very short video tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.